These are the instructions for the RCPD Basic Electronics Kit, Daytime Police Siren Alarm using voice-over technology for the vision impaired. Each piece used in the circuit has the necessary braille labels to complete the circuit. The circuit board contains the necessary number and letter braille label on the sides. Select one line at a time using keyboard shortcuts to read these instructions. Each instruction has a number that says which level and step it corresponds with. For example, 1.1 is level 1, step 1. Level 1, 1.1. Place piece B1, the battery holder, onto the circuit board with the top left corner on B6 and the bottom left corner on D6. Place piece S1, the slide switch, onto the board with the left side on A1 and the right side on A5. Place piece U2, the box alarm, onto the board with the top left corner on C2 and the bottom left corner on D2. 1.4. Place piece SP, the cylindrical speaker, onto the board with the top side on B5 and the bottom side on D5. Place a one-piece connector on coordinates A1 on the upper left corner of the circuit board. Place another round one-piece connector on coordinates C1. Place a two-piece bone-shaped connector on coordinates B1 to B2. Place a six-piece connector on coordinates E1 to E6. That is the end of level 1. Level 2. Some pieces may be placed atop other pieces from level 1. 2.1. Place piece Q3, the triangular piece, onto the circuit board with the top on coordinates A3 and the bottom on coordinates C3. Place piece R5, 100K resistor, and place it on coordinates C1 to E1. Place a one-piece connector on coordinates B6 on the top left corner of the battery holder. 2.4. Place a two-piece shaped connector on coordinates A1 to B1. 2.5. Then place another two-piece connector on coordinates A5 to D5, connecting the switch to the speaker. 2.6. Then place one more two-piece connector on coordinates D2 to E2. 2.7. Then place another two-piece connector on coordinates D6 to E6. Place one more two-piece connector on coordinates D4 to D5, connecting the alarm to the speaker. That is the end of level 2. Level 3. Some pieces may be placed atop other pieces from level 1 and 2. 3.1. Take piece RP, the photoresistor, and place it on the coordinates B2 to D2, connecting the resistor to the alarm. (3.2) Then take piece D1, the red LED light, and place it on the coordinates B2 to D2, connecting the resistor to the alarm. Oops. So, with the voiceover technology, you have the ability to go back in the instructions in case you missed something or misplaced something incorrectly. So 3.1 reads, take piece RP, the photoresistor, and place it on coordinates A1 to A3. (3.3) Then place a two-piece connector on coordinates B1 to C1. (3.4) Lastly, place the final two-piece connector on coordinates B5 to B6, connecting the speaker to the battery holder. Your circuit should now be complete. Go to your slide switch on coordinates A3 to A5, and slide the switch to the right to turn the circuit on and hear the siren. The siren is light sensitive, so you must be in well-lit conditions. Oh, yeah. Should be good. Actually, okay, you see how